Hey everyone, I have no idea why I'm doing this. Today we're cooking up a delicious meal that's perfect for a cozy day in. Tomato soup and grilled cheese sandwiches. These recipes are simple to make and use ingredients that you can find easily in your local grocery store. First up, let's make our tomato soup. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add a chopped onion and cook for 5 minutes until softened. Next, add 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Add 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 14.5 ounces each, 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper to the pot. Stir everything together and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Use an immersion blender to puree the soup until it's smooth, or transfer to a blender and blend in batches, being careful not to overfill the blender. Then stir in a quarter cup of heavy cream and heat the soup over low heat until it's warmed through. Serve the soup hot, garnished with chopped fresh basil if you like. Next, let's make our grilled cheese sandwiches. Spread a half a tablespoon of butter on one side of each slice of Japanese melt bread. Place 1 slice of Gouda cheese and 1 slice of American cheese on the unbuttered side of the 2 slices of bread. Top each sandwich with the remaining 2 slices of bread, buttered side facing up. Place the sandwiches in the preheated pan or griddle and cook for 2.5 to 3 minutes until the bread is golden brown. Flip the sandwiches and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is melted and the bread is golden brown on both sides. Remove the sandwiches from the pan or griddle and let them cool for a minute or 2. Slice the sandwiches in half and serve immediately. And there you have it. A delicious and comforting meal that's perfect for any occasion. Be sure to check the description below for the full recipe and ingredients list. And if you try these recipes at home, let us know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes like this one. Thank you, enjoy, and see you next time.
It's tomato soup.
It's getting there.